Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoStream US. Today we're talking about a major performance upgrade for hardcore Porsche fans. The Manthey kit is back, specifically for the 992.2 generation 911 GT3. And it's not just a cosmetic add-on. This is a full, track-focused kit engineered by Manthey Racing in close partnership with Porsche, designed to make the GT3 even more capable and confident on the circuit. Let's dive into what's really different. The new Manthey kit brings serious aerodynamic upgrades. The underbody has been transformed into a continuous aerodynamic surface with extended turning vanes that stretch much further back, plus a redesigned front lip that's about 12 millimeters more aggressive. On top, the rear wing is wider, now includes a gurney flap, and the diffuser gets longer fins, all optimized to generate massive downforce. At its maximum setting, the kit can produce an estimated 1,190 pounds of downforce. That's a huge number, and it really helps the car stick when you're pushing hard through corners. On more conservative settings, it still delivers around 782 pounds, so it's not just for the track, there's real flexibility. On the suspension side, it gets even more serious. The car uses a 4-way adjustable coilover setup, allowing independent tuning of rebound and compression, which means drivers can fine-tune how the car reacts under hard braking or aggressive cornering. To support the extra downforce, the front springs are roughly 10% stiffer, which helps maintain balance and grip when you're in high-speed turns or leaning into high-load maneuvers. Weight savings also come into play. Optional forged wheels bring down unsprung mass, and Manthey offers braided stainless steel brake lines too, which improve brake feel and precision without changing the calipers. These changes make the car more responsive and better suited for repeated track use. All of these changes add up to real-world performance gains. In testing, a 911 GT3 992.2 with the Manthey kit lapped the Nürburgring Nordschleife in 6 minutes and 52.98 seconds, shaving off nearly 2.8 seconds compared to a 992.1 GT3 with the older version of the kit. That's a big deal for track day enthusiasts who want maximum performance from a car they can still drive on the road. And crucially, Porsche and Manthey made sure the kit doesn't affect the GT3's factory warranty, meaning you get real performance without the typical risk. The kit isn't just about raw speed though. It's designed specifically for driving on the circuit. More aggressive aero, stiffer suspension, and improved braking provide both reliability and control for serious track use. Plus, since Manthey is closely connected with Porsche, the development felt deeply integrated, not just aftermarket mod work. Availability is also important. The Manthey kit for the 992.2 GT3 will be sold through certified Porsche centers in the US, and Manthey's own site confirms that many of the parts, from aerodynamic elements to coilovers to brake lines and forged wheels, are part of a comprehensive modular package. The idea is that drivers who love weekend track days can upgrade their car without turning it into a full race car or giving up street usability. So, what's the takeaway for US drivers or Porsche fans? If you're someone who takes your GT3 to the track regularly, this kit could seriously elevate your car's cornering speed, stability, and overall lap time. It's not a basic performance mod, it's a focused, Porsche-approved enhancement that complements the GT3's inherent strengths. For those passionate about precision, speed, and real track capability, the Manthey kit offers a smart, factory-backed way to unlock more of the car's potential. Alright, if this breakdown was helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe, give the video a like, and turn on notifications. We've got more deep dives into high-performance Porsche updates and track-focused gear coming your way. Thanks for watching AutoStream US, and remember, on the track race, every detail matters.